4 detox drinks for your body. This video is about the best juicing recipes for detoxing your body.
Number 1. Green apple juice. This green apple juice is made with 3 detoxifying ingredients: apples, lemon, and ginger. Taking this juice in the start of the day will get the detox process going. Drinking warm lemon water as you break your overnight fast helps to stimulate the liver and being the cleansing process. Number 2. Carrot juice. This carrot juice recipe is one of the favorite nutrient-dense juices. You may have your own variant of carrot juice, but even then, you should try this carrot juice recipe. Beta-carotene, vitamin A, is an antioxidant that helps protect the body from free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic illnesses. Boosting the body's immune system, lowering cholesterol. Aiding the body in digestion and digestive health. Improving vision and eye health, supporting bone health and blood coagulation, help promote weight loss, increases detox in the body. Number 3. The best healthy green juices. Green juice is rich in antioxidants. It's filled with easy-to-absorb nutrients. Along with antioxidants, green veggies provide minerals and phytonutrients. Chlorophyll in green juice helps with digestion, helps detox the liver, and has antioxidant properties. Consuming green veggies in green juice helps maintain your alkalinity. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Beet juice increases endurance for those who engage in strenuous exercise, but there are also many other benefits that come with drinking that vibrant red juice. Regulates blood pressure. Increasing your nitric oxide will allow more oxygen to flow to your heart, muscles, and brain, resulting in lowered high blood pressure. Aids in digestion. Rich in betaine, beetroot juice can increase stomach acid to improve digestion. Packed with betalains. Betalains are a type of phytonutrient, chemical produced by plants, that have powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and detoxifying properties. Thanks for watching.